A calzone is a specialty pizza originating from Naples and Puglia that's folded in half before being baked in the oven or fried. Each region in Italy has its own distinct variation, but popular fillings include mozzarella, parmesan, ricotta, pecorino, ham, salami, vegetables, and tomato sauce. The word calzone was coined back in the 18th century. However, before the invention of the food, calzone had the literal definition of trouser leg, while the plural, calzoni, meant trousers. For reasons unknown, it was thought that trouser legs bore a resemblance to the shape of a folded pizza. The authentic Italian pronunciation of calzone differs from the English in two main ways. First, the Z is pronounced.
ts,
Second, the word final e is always pronounced. Have a listen to the correct pronunciation.
calzone, calzone. Sto preparando il calzone classico, ripieno di mozzarella, prosciutto cotto e pomodoro.
I'm preparing the classic calzone filled with mozzarella, cooked ham, and tomato. Calzone is a masculine noun. The plural is
Calzoni.
with the word final e, so its pronunciation is fairly similar to the English version.
I ragazzi seduti al tavolo numero 5 hanno ordinato 3 calzoni e 3 birre.
The guys sitting at table number 5 have ordered 3 calzoni and 3 beers.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.